Ever pondered what the world might look like in the next 50 years? An intriguing thought, isn't it? Picture a world where technology weaves seamlessly into every facet of life, where society evolves in harmony with the environment, and where the line between reality and virtuality blurs. Welcome to a glimpse of the future. Technology, a term that once stirred images of complex machinery and circuits, now represents a ubiquitous part of our existence. Imagine a future where nanotechnology rules the roost, manipulating matter at an atomic level. Picture tiny robots coursing through your veins, repairing damaged cells, and enhancing your physical abilities. Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot. Well, the future holds such wonders and more. Artificial intelligence, a concept that once seemed far-fetched, now stands poised to redefine the way we live, work, and play. Imagine interacting with hyper-intelligent AI, capable of understanding and responding to your deepest emotions. Envision a world where AI-generated art rivals the works of Picasso or Van Gogh. It's not just about robots taking over jobs. It's about them becoming companions, artists, and healers. Now let's shift our gaze to society. The future paints a picture of a world where cultural diversity is celebrated, where understanding and tolerance are the norm. Imagine a society that tears down walls of prejudice and builds bridges of compassion. A world where the gender binary becomes obsolete and people are free to identify as they wish. A society that values mental health as much as physical health. The environment, our shared home, holds an uncertain future. Yet envision a world where sustainable practices are not just encouraged but integrated into our daily lives. Imagine cities with vertical gardens scraping the skies where every building is a powerhouse of clean energy. Picture oceans free of plastic, forests flourishing, and wildlife thriving. That's a future we all should aspire to create. In conclusion, the future is not just an abstract concept, but a tangible reality that we are shaping with our actions today. It's a world where technology enhances human potential, where society evolves to become more inclusive, and where the environment thrives through sustainable practices. The future is a canvas that we are painting with our dreams and actions. So the next time you find yourself staring at the starry sky, remember this: the future is not set in stone. It's a story that we are writing one day at a time. The question is, what kind of future do we want to create? Because the power to shape the future, my friends, lies in our hands.